Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the end power button on your Windows. Okay, so you will notice the end power button at the top of your keyboard on your physical keyboard, and that is on the right side of the home button. But it depends depending on the structure of your keyboard. It depends from Windows to Windows. So if you have the end button, you can simply find that in the initials. So once you find that, then we are going to know what are its uses into our Windows. Okay, so let me quickly open a document. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to click on the beginning of the text. Okay, beginning of the text. And if I want to go to the last line, the last letter of the last line, then all we have to do is press Control plus the end button. And that's it. Okay, now for the second use, let's go back to the very first line, the beginning of the line. And then if we are going to choose this text from the first line up to the last line, or select the whole text but not the title, not including the title. If you are just going to use or choose or select the whole text, we just need to simply press Control plus Shift plus the End key. And that's it. The whole text will be selected. Okay? Now let's go on clicking on the beginning of the line, beginning of the first line. And if I want to go to the last line or the last letter of the first line, what we can do is we just need to simply press the end key. And you are at the tip of the first line, okay? Then if I am going to choose the or select the first line, all we have to do is press Shift and then End key. And the first line will be selected. Okay? And if I'm going to open a website, okay? If I'm going to search for, let's say, for example, computer, and I'm going to click on this website, and if I want to go to the last or the end of the text, I'm just going to, or the end of the website, I'm just going to press the end key on the keyboard. And that's it. So those are the uses of the end button or the end key on your keyboard. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.